Hey guys, you are welcome to my channel. This is Communal Light, new mindset, make money online motivation. Today, I'm going to show you how you can make 1700 driving for Uber during 4 days. First thing to do, you must first choose the best code. You choose the code that will help you. You know, every two time a week, they send us a new code that you can choose to improve your earning. So usually they will send you on Sunday night or Thursday. So make sure to choose your code. This is the top one. When you drop 17, they give you more, $410. If you can go over 80, they will give you $515. Make sure that you do that. And when you do that, after what you have to do, make sure to get out on the right time. Monday to Sunday, they make a schedule, the good time to get out. You can post this video, go over all this time. Okay, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, when you can get out. And especially if you want to make more money, make sure you get out on that time, but you can continue driving if the surge is in that thing. If you are driving and the scheduled time is over, but you see that there's a surge, where you are, my brother, my sister, just keep going driving. You will make it happen. So those are the skills that you must use. And also make sure to have good rating. Make your rating great. And this video I share with you how I make 1,696.11 cents. Okay, I got to drive for 4 days. I get out Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. You can see on Sunday I earned how much? 737. This was not because I was driving. As I show you on the first place, that amount I got this quill, because before I start driving I choose this bonus. I choose 515. So when I start driving on Thursday. Thursday I make 200 something. Uh, Friday 200 something. Saturday I went over 300. And now when I start driving here, I have 11 people to complete, so I will get to 80. So when I did it, they added me the 500. Plus on Sunday I just drove like a 6 hour and I make to 200 something. So all together give me that amount. So you can do it too. You can see my driving time is 43 hours. 43 hours, 34 minutes. That's all the time that I was driving. And you will see, oh, I cannot do that. You can do it. I give a ride to 101 people. Okay? And also I say do good. So when you are driving, they will give you a point. I'm a diamond. Sometimes too, the quill vary. The quill, some people, if you are new and you don't have good rating, they will not. You can maybe not give that quill, but make sure to keep a good rating. Don't don't take for granted everything that you are doing in your car nowadays. Some rider they have camera with them, and also ourselves you do have camera in the car. So make sure that you behavior well, you talk to your customer well, and give them good rate, and they will give you to good rate. So if any good behavior will give you good reward. I want to give you this advice too. Don't be in a hurry. Like if you go to pick up someone and the person is not ready for you, please take your time. It happened to me most of the time. Like I'm in a hurry, I don't want to wait. But from my experience, I can see when you wait for someone, the person is willing to give you more gifts. He is willing to give you more bonus. He's willing to give you good rating. He will write good, give you good report. He will tip you. Okay, he will tip you. So make sure that when you are going to pick up someone and the person is not there, don't just run away. Don't say, oh, I'm losing my time. No, be patient. Be patient. If you are patient too, you will get all these things happen. Under this video, I'm gonna leave my link below. If it's your first time, you can use my link to download. And when you use my link right now, they will give you some bonus. It depends on which country you are. Everywhere you are in the US, it can be everywhere in this world. If you use my link here, they will give you a bonus from your state. Okay? Me, I'm living in Washington, D.C. If anyone is living in Washington, D.C., if you download this right now, you will get about 800. You will get about 800 if you sign up and you provide everything during the first 3 months. You will get about 800, okay, for bonus for free. That's what I'm talking about. So we must look for those kind of things. Some people, I encourage some people, even if you don't want to do this for a long time, you can just download the link, sign up, get that 800 is bonus, and you are free. You can just sign up for that thing, and you get that 800 to improve something, and or use it to do something else, or enjoy your family. We are in the summertime. Okay, guys, that's all I have for you. I do have the link for Lyft, DoorDash, Instacart. Just go ahead and check all those things, and please do not forget to subscribe, and see you on the next page. We will meet on the road with Uber. You can pick up a rider, you can deliver food, you can do Uber Connect, you can do Uber Package. There's a lot of things in the Uber app. Thank you and be blessed. See you next time. Ciao, ciao.